Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna get a quick head-to-head comparison review about these two Arch-based distro to help you decide which of these Arch will be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about these two Cashy-based distro, which is CachyOS and EndeavourOS. So let's quickly dive into it and help you decide which of these distro Arch would be a better choice and a better one for you to pick. So let's quickly get into it. So talking about CachyOS is all about raw performance and blending edge optimization with tons kernel CPU specific build and gaming tweak out of the box. It delivers speed and responsiveness that power user loves. So talking about the advantages, it includes blazing performance, great hardware support, and built-in gaming optimization. Talking about the downside, they have this less polished and it can be unstable at times, and it's also required more tweaking for everyday use. So on the other hand, talking about the EndeavourOS, it takes a more balanced approach. It sticks slow to vanilla Arch-bot, hard easily installs. It's also great for desktop option and strong community support, which make it ideal for those who want Arch without hassle. So talking about the advantages part, its simplicity, stability, and a wide hardware compatibility. Talking about the downside, it includes a fewer performance tweak and a less focus on cutting-edge optimization compared to CachyOS. So in my conclusion, CachyOS is for performance junkies, while EndeavourOS is the safer bet for stability and easy of use. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn that notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.